It is known that plants like to be watered with a drip system. This allows them to get and absorb water slowly, which suits them best. Shallow-rooted plants, such as cucumbers, require regular watering to thrive. A drip irrigation system is also suitable for other vegetables and flowers, making it a versatile option for gardeners. Creating a drip irrigation system is quite simple and can be done with basic materials. First, you need a 1-liter plastic bottle. Start by cutting off the bottom part of the bottle. This will allow you to fill it with water easily. Next, make small holes at the edge of the bottle where you cut it. These holes are important because they will be used to tie the bottle to a bamboo stick. Now make a small hole in the cap. This hole is where the water will drip out slowly. To control the drip, take half of an ear cleaning stick and wedge it into the hole in the cap. This will close the hole almost completely, letting only a small amount of water through. Once the cap is ready, use a twist tie to secure the bottle to a bamboo stick. The bamboo stick will help keep the bottle upright and stable when you place it in the ground. Make sure the bottle is tied tightly so it does not move or fall over. With your drip irrigation system ready, it's time to place it in your garden. Choose the plant you want to water and stick the bamboo stick into the ground next to it. The cap of the bottle should be just above the ground. This positioning allows the water to drip directly into the soil near the plant's roots. You can create as many of these systems as you need for your garden. Once the system is in place, all you need to do is pour water into the bottle from the top. After a few moments, you will see the water start to drip out slowly. This steady dripping will keep the soil moist, providing a consistent water supply to your plants. The beauty of this system is that it takes care of watering your plants without any additional effort from you. You can also use compost tea to fill the bottle, so my plants can get food using the drip system. This way, the plants not only receive water, but also essential nutrients, enhancing their growth and health. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe, and click on bell icon for more videos.